suspects arrested for cybercrime targeting ATMs. This happened in the Eastern Cape province. On the 15th of March 2025, the East London-based Serious Organized Crime Investigation Team were alerted about criminals who were allegedly using specialized software to withdraw cash illegally from the auto teller machine serviced by Fedility card solution. It is reported that the suspect would disguise themselves as Fedility Services security guards armed with rifles to create a legitimate impression that they are servicing the machines. More than 7 million rands cash has been withdrawn. On the 17th of March 2025, a team of the Hawks, together with Petty Visible Police in Western Cape Crime Intelligence and the SAPS Commercial Crime in the Western Cape, arrested Mungameli Tom and Skumbuzo Honono, who were allegedly behind a series of these criminal activities in the Western Cape. The duo was intercepted near Bedi, and a laptop used in the commission of the crime was seized. The duo have now been remanded, and the case is to come again on the 16th of May 2025.